and I just dey try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk out to the better, they do my price. Then I find the sound among all the sounds. I no get the name, I no sing a sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise,
Hi my loves, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the next day after going out with my friend. I rubbed something on my frontal. I rubbed an alcoholic based off so that my frontal can pull off. I don't want it to cut my hair. Yeah, that's why I rubbed the alcoholic stuff. After pulling off, I want it to melt, yes, then it will pull off so that it won't cut my frontal basically. After that, I'm going to wash my hair, go and weave it so that I can go back to my wig life. Wig is life, honestly. Just wear a wig, you pull it out. If you are back, you drop it, air will enter your head. This one is making me go crazy plus my children. So basically, I want to go and make breakfast for them. There's this toast that I made the other day and they loved it. So I want to make it again for them. Yes, I'll take you guys along with me. Try that recipe, it bangs. There's something I bring on this channel that doesn't bang anyways. And I have a bunch of food to make today, but I'll just take it one step at a time. Maybe if I make, you people know what is that black boy you see. If you don't know, I'll teach you now. That's my work on this channel. So besties, let's go to the kitchen and cook Johnson Akaria. So yum. Good morning guys, I'm at spa. I want to go to Med Plus. Zion is not feeling too good. He's running temperature and he's so quiet. He doesn't want to eat, doesn't have appetite or anything. I said to come to Med Plus, get some drugs before taking him to the hospital. Like if he continues from now till tomorrow, I'll take him to the hospital. Yeah, so that's why I'm here this morning. Okay, let's go inside. Is it me? Yeah. No problem. Bye. They do not have big complex. I have to get it at South Plus. So I'm going there now. I got this one. Should I? Let me just put it in the car. So guys, I want to get the remaining drugs at Health Plus. They do not have B complex. I need to get it here and go to the house. It. Let's go home, okay, guys? We said to the house. I've gotten the drugs. So here now, okay? Bring the sandal or Chima, put it inside, Zion. Let's go and cut it. You take the flax inside, put your leg, Zion. Put your second leg. Carry your paper. Carry it now very well. Let's go. Jesus! You are heavy. Oh no. You're so heavy, Zion. Come on. Here, give me that. You don't want them to finish making your hair. You don't say mommy. Give me. Oh, you want to eat soup? Green. Yes, I do. Green. Yes, baby. Do you want soup? Yellow. Yellow. Do you want soup? Yellow. Mama. Red. Hola. Do you want soup? Red. You guys, we are back to the house. That drugs I gave Zion, it really worked. Now, after cutting his hair, he's been talking since, like he's been making noise. You can hear his voice from the background. Zion! He hasn't slept a bit. He's been talking. Mommy. Yes, baby. I fed him though, so I just want to go and relax. I had my bath like as early as 5 a.m. I woke up so early today. So I just want to relax and edit my vlog so that I can go up in the evening. See you guys soon. Bye. Zion, you will follow. Easy. We came to buy fish. Bunka. Ihe bekwa ego. Hey, papa na mama. Eh? Then I go 3,000. Maybe 3,000.
I have fresh one.
3,000. The more you got the loan. 3,000. 3,000, mama. You guys, I went to MedPlus. I went to get one medicine like that for Ola, the antibiotics and all that. I've not gotten home since I left home, but we are going home now. So this is my outfit for today. I'm going to be wearing this skirt. This pink skirt is a big long skirt. I've had this skirt for so long. I haven't worn it. I want to wear it today. And this tank top with these sneakers. I've had this for so long as well. So I'm going to be wearing them. I'll show you guys the results. Hi bestie. So we are done preparing. Say hello.
Hello.
Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So we are done preparing. Wait, I'm coming. Let me do this.
Mommy.
Guys, bringing these children together is a lot of work. Honestly, just some people gave birth to 5 kids or 6, 7. Like, how do you guys do it? This is not easy at all. So besties, we are done preparing. We are going. I'm going to show you guys my full fit, like when I get there, because we're already running late. So I need to move. I catch a J late every freaking time. But at least I got it's 12. Yeah, I'm going to so that I can go and come back. I need to cook today. I'll see you guys soon. Okay? You guys, so let's move. Bye, besties. Wow. Z, say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
I want to lock the door. I lock it now. Ooh, we are outside today after a long freaking time. Motherhood is hard. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I'm telling you now, but just you have to prioritize some things. Make up time for this one, make up time for that one. You gotta go. That's when things will be moving. But if it is hard, it is hard. So let's go have a little fun. Then we'll not come back to reality. I thought I combed this hair. It was looking big. I don't like it.
This is your lion.
Lion. Hey, I don't know about lion. Mama could do our Zion, where are you going? Where are you going? Share.
When I just dey try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk I could get it, they do my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, it's my money sound. I want the precise.
Sit down. Dog man.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Chair.
Oh yes, sit on the chair. Green chair, you want green chair? We madam, oh my god. Hi. Sit down now. Where are you doing this chair from? What will you guys eat? Their food is affordable. Fish sauce with rice, 15,000. 15,000. It's very affordable. Can you imagine? It's not affordable anything. Beef sauce and rice, 15,000 naira. How many plates will I buy? We just look for affordable.
Mommy,
You guys, this place is massive. I'm fine. We wanted to do the water park, but these children, they are harmful. We're going to do that as in another time. I don't want them to swim today. Yeah. Guys, we are leaving. I told you guys I want to cook today, so we are going. But this place is fine, sure. Wow, so fine and massive. But besties, if you look at my face, you see that I'm stressed. Like, I'm so stressed. Motherhood is not easy. It's not at all. Is ready, you guys. This is curry leaf. I added curry leaf, and I'm going to allow it to steam, and it is done. This is concussion rice, and it's so good. It's so freaking good. You're going to like it. If you want like a full recipe of this rice, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to remake it again, okay? Oh my goodness, this pot. My besties will do wait. If you are looking at this channel, you will know that my besties will. Money movement, besties, no time for forming nonsense. My bestie will wait, Baba. Baba say bestie will wait.
thank you.
So done. I'm done. Yeah. I just want to like pack everything and put in the freezer. Have my bags. Netflix and chill. The time is 5 p.m. All this food that you're seeing, I cooked for 2 good hours, just 2 hours. I don't like you working in the kitchen. Now, I don't like wasting time in the kitchen. So we are done here. Let me pack the food, okay? So I'm done.